front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. Over here select close in the pop-up, and as you can see now, location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and tap on location section over here. Now manage the location of your OPPO by clicking on this sorter next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!